Hey guys, how's everyone doing? This is Rahul Samuel here, your candidate with Brampton West with the People's Party of Canada. So as I said to you, as I promised, we're campaigning all week, meeting residents, concerned citizens of Brampton West every day and addressing everyday concerns. So we're here with Kasha and her husband today at their home in Brampton West, and we're just going to ask Kasha, so why PPC? What are your concerns, your everyday concerns?
My concern is mandatory vaccine passport. I do not want vaccine passport for anyone. I am concerned that I might not be able to renew my license as a healthcare provider as of November. So these are my concerns.
So you work as a massage therapist?
Yes, I'm a registered massage therapist. I've been in practice for 8 years now.
Okay.
I have multiple clients with multiple issues, anxiety, depression, vaccine injury, and none of these issues been reported. So that's why I'm voting PPC.
So as you can see, the everyday concern, which a lot of people concerns are, Kasha on the verge of losing her business, her license, because she refuses to get a vaccine, something that she doesn't know about, injecting something in her body, which she doesn't want, but she's being forced to. Her clients are being forced to. She's seen the reverse, the adverse effects of it, and that's something she doesn't want to do. So citizens are being forced into mandated vaccines and lockdown and losing licenses and businesses. So this is everyday citizen concerns, and this is what PPC is trying to do. This is what we're trying to do for you in Brampton West. This is how we can make a difference. We can go to people's homes, address these concerns every day, make a noise, and that's the only way we'll reach out to all of you and make a difference. So let's stick together. People's Party of Canada, Rahul Samuel, Brampton West with Kasha and family. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.